In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet so you can quickly clean up data and keep your sheets organized. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet that contains the rows you want to remove. Next, locate the row numbers on the left side of the sheet and click a row number to select the entire row. To select multiple consecutive rows, click the first row number, hold down the Shift key and then click the last row number in the range. All rows between those selections will be highlighted. If you need to select non-consecutive rows, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking additional row numbers. Once all the desired rows are selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted rows. From the menu that appears, click Delete Rows. Smartsheet will immediately remove all selected rows from the sheet. If you accidentally delete the wrong rows, use the Undo button to restore them. Deleting multiple rows at once is a great way to save time when cleaning up project plans, task lists, or outdated information. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.